The number of confirmed deaths attributed to coronavirus surpassed 2.5 million Thursday, according to a tracker from Johns Hopkins University, just a year after the onset of the pandemic sent much of the world's population into quarantine and as the death rate appears to be slowing. That's roughly the population of Chicago or Houston, the third and fourth most populous cities in the United States. The U.S. accounts for the largest share of deaths by far, having surpassed 500,000 Monday, which is roughly 20% of the global death toll despite making up only about 5% of the world population. Following the U.S. in total deaths are India, Brazil, the UK and Russia, but according to Johns Hopkins University, the country with the highest observed case fatality rate is Mexico, where a whopping 8.8% of people who test positive ultimately die of the virus. Other countries have managed to beat back coronavirus fatalities, including New Zealand, which has only seen 4 deaths in the past 6 months, and Taiwan, which has recorded just 9 deaths during the entire pandemic, according to Johns Hopkins University. However, experts note the numbers of confirmed coronavirus cases and deaths are likely undercounted due to a lack of testing, with one study suggesting the death toll in the U.S. may be as much as 36% higher. Vaccine rollout is picking up across the world and more than 200 million doses have been administered, but is largely occurring in the world's wealthier countries, with most immunizations taking place in North America and Europe. Despite the grim milestone, World Health Organization officials said Wednesday coronavirus deaths fell by a staggering 20% last week, indicating the end of the pandemic crisis may be in sight if the trend continues.